Hey yogis, Coach Brianna here. Today we're going to do a quick 5-minute wrist stretch. So start by bringing your hands together, clasping them, and we're going to make figure 8 circles nice and slow. Feel free to maybe sway a little bit in the upper body if that feels good. Otherwise, make sure you're sitting up nice and tall. Start to find some stillness, and then reach that right hand forward as if accepting something, and gently press the right fingertips down towards the floor with the left hand. I want you to breathe in through the nose, long slow exhale through the nose. One more deep breath here, and then we'll gently release the right fingertips, and we're going to flip the hand and again press those fingertips down towards the floor. Try to relax through the shoulders here, relax your hips, breathing deep in and out through the nose. And finally, you can gently shake the arm out after releasing it, and then reach your hand out as if you're going to shake hands, just moving that wrist gently up and down. Be really gentle here, no need to force it, and then gently release and shake it out. Maybe take a shimmy. We're going to reach the left hand forward and flex those fingertips down towards the floor. We're breathing deep in and out through the nose and relaxing through the rest of the body here. We're going to gently release the left hand, flip it over, and again point those fingertips down towards the floor, stretching out the top of our wrist. Maybe taking a small smile here. We're closing down the eyes and focusing on that breath. Go ahead and release the hand, maybe shake out the arm. And then we're going to take that handshake or that hand chop motion one more time in the left hand. Remembering to breathe, releasing and shaking it out. Take a shimmy. Go ahead and bring your thumb and index fingers together and then flip your hands, creating a mask with your pinky finger sliding down your face. Sit up nice and tall, press your elbows back. This is a silly pose, and it helps relieve some pressure off the ulnar nerve. You can gently release the hands and then shake it out. We're going to take seated cat-cow next, so I'm just going to turn so you can see me. You're going to inhale as you roll your shoulders back, drop the belly forward, and then exhale, make a C shape with your spine, rolling the shoulders forward. Inhale to cow, exhale to cat. Inhale. We exhale. One more time, inhale. And we exhale, C shape. Go ahead and sit up nice and tall, neutral spine. I'm just gonna turn around. And last, we're gonna reach our hands all the way up overhead, bringing our hands together in prayer, and then bringing them back down to the heart. And again, inhale, we reach all the way up. Exhale, hands come down to the heart. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, hands come back to your heart. That is it. That is our practice today. I hope to see you again soon.